This is broccoli, green peas, carrots, ginger, garlic. This is dhania powder, black pepper, jeera powder. So in the soup I'll mix all this with little bit of white salt. Again I mixed all the vegetables because I want to have this soup in the daytime also. This time I mixed little bit of less water, and now I am going to put inside the microwave, and let me start the process. It will take 8 minutes. So I'm eagerly waiting for the soup to get completed, and I'll have it with rice, maybe with brown rice. So instead of dal, sometimes I mix soup also, and all the vegetables that I get from the soup only. Sometimes I don't prepare vegetables extra. So my soup is ready, and in the soup I mix palak, carrot, broccoli, and ginger garlic, little bit of black pepper, little bit of sugar, very little bit of sugar and salt. So I put it into my microwave for 8 minutes. I mix all the vegetables, whatever I mentioned already. I mix all the vegetables with 1.5 cup of water and gave it in microwave for 8 minutes, and now it's ready. So now what I will do, rava idli is good for fatty liver. We can take rava idli. So this is rava idli, and I have not mixed any oil, and yeah, I can mix little bit of 1 teaspoon of olive oil, but I am not mixing. So I am just giving in heat, and then I'll stir for some time, and then what I will do, little bit of soup that I already prepared, I consumed. Now little bit of soup is remaining, and I will put here. I know it won't be much tasty, but yes, it will be very healthy. So in rava idli I will just stir continuously for some time. So this is a rava idli mixed with vegetables, green palak leaves, broccoli, little bit of carrots, ginger, garlic, black pepper, and natural sugar. So now my rava idli is ready. It's totally boiled, perfect for fatty liver. I'll have this with black tea without sugar. Hi. So now my rava idli is ready, and I have mixed all the nutritious vegetables in it, and I am having it with black tea. Thank you.